This video is about how to fix your Pi network KYC issues and how to complete your KYC. Now, I know that a lot of you have been complaining about the Pi network KYC issues. Some of you have applied for KYC and up to today, you have not been verified, and the rest of you are yet to be KYC'd. Just like I'm seeing on this page right now, which says thanks for your interest in Pi KYC verification. Slots are not available at this time. Stay tuned, you'll receive an invitation as soon as possible. So in this video, I'll show you how to do two things. Number one is how to fix your Pi network KYC issues, and then the number two is how to complete your Pi network KYC. So if you like videos like this, make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to open your Pi app. Now you're going to click on these three dashes at the top here and click on profile. Alright, so when you come here, you're going to scroll down and look at this account verification. Check to see that all your verification has been done. If you look right here, phone number has not been verified on this account, so I'm going to click on verify. Okay, I'm going to click on start, click on open SMS. So this automatically brought this as a message, so I'll go ahead and click on send, and once that is sent, and I'll come back, you can see your phone number is now successfully verified. So I'll go ahead and click on close. So that is done. Next thing is let's go with the email verification. I'll click on verify, and you can see my email address right here, even though I'm actually blurring it. I'll click on verify. So I'll go to my email and I'll check for a message from them. And here's the email here. I'm going to click here to verify, and email verification successful. So I'll go back. I can see verified. I'll click on finish. So I'll click on the three dashes again, click on profile, and next I need to verify Facebook. So I'll click on verify, click on continue. So I need to log in my Facebook account. So I'll click on login, and I have to verify a code from Facebook. So I'll just tap on yes, and right now it's asking me for access. So I'll click on continue as Uche. Right now I've verified the Facebook. You can see these three things have been done. So what is left is for me to do the KYC right now, and this is the same thing you're going to do if you're having issues with your KYC. Make sure to check that these three things here are actually checked before you can continue with the next step in this video. Alright, so next I'm going to go back, click on these three dashes, and then I'll click on Pi browser, click on sign into Pi browser, and next I'm going to click on KYC. So you can see it still says thanks for your interest in Pi KYC, slots are available. So it means I'm not allowed to still do KYC yet. So let me show you what you can do next to get your KYC issues resolved. So I'll close this and go back to the Pi app, and right here I'm going to click on these three dashes, and next I'm going to click on support portal. So this is the same thing for both you trying to verify to resolve your KYC issue and you that is yet to do KYC. Alright, so next you might want to log in, but if not, just scroll down, and right here, depending on what you're facing, so there are a couple of options here. KYC in email request, blah blah blah. Now what I can do is need to raise a request, contact us. I'm going to click on that, and right here I'll just scroll down to where I have KYC, so I'm going to click on it. So you can see it says here KYC slot assignment were previously invitation based. As of March 14, 2020, anyone should be able to visit the app via Pi browser, start your KYC application without waiting for an invitation. So there are two scenarios where you won't be allowed to do your KYC if you've not done your KYC prior to this time. So there's no need for all of this. Let me just go straight to fill out these details. So what is your email? I'll put in my email address. This is it. What is your username? So here's my username. So for verification method, now if you've not done your KYC at all, just click on unverified. But if you've done your KYC before now and your KYC is still pending, you just have to uncheck this thing right here, and then factor what you used to do your KYC back then. This is your phone number or email, so select any of them of your choice. But for me, I'm here to be verified, so I'll just click on unverified. Next is your password. Remember password? Yes, I remember my password. So citizenship, you put in your country, state of residency. Now Android or iOS, so select anyone. Right now I'm using an iOS, so I'll select iOS. And any specific version, I don't think it's important because I'm using the current version. And here's my phone number right here. So prior to the application, now there are some options here. I cannot access Sprite browser. I don't think this is my problem. I cannot open the KYC app in browser, not my problem yet. I can open KYC app, but I get a loading spinner, not my problem. I get the slot not available on. So what is your own issue? My own issue is I get the slot not available at the time. So if you've not done your KYC, this is what you're going to select. But if you've done your KYC before now and you've not verified, and you're not verified, you just select none. But for me, I'll go with this option. I guess a slot is not available at this time. All right, so next is application when submitting your KYC. So this is for those that have submitted their KYC. Issue with the first screen, which is your consent, your age, your country, your ID type. Is that your issue? If that is your issue, you can select it. Issue with uploading document. So if that is your error, you can upload it. Issue with entering personal details. So any of these things here that are your issues, this is where you're going to select it for those that have done their KYC before now. But for you that has not done your KYC, I'll just select none. And next is KYC review pending. When did you apply? So if it was before January 2023, you can actually select this. So if it was let's say like last year you did it, this is the most recent one, which is January 2023, select it. But if you've not done at all, just select on none. Okay, so next is request for your pending KYC application. So did you submit your wrong type of ID, or the name I use in the KYC is wrong, or the ID was missing? Any of these options here that are your problem, you're going to go ahead to select it. But for you that is yet to verify, you're not selecting any option, you're just going to leave it like that. So validation when reviewing your KYC application from others. So if any of this is your problem, this is basically for those that have done KYC before. Now you can select any of this, and then other. I want to leave comments not directly related to the application, so there's nothing here for you, but it depends on if you're actually done your KYC. Now for this description, what I'm just going to do is I will just copy this text here. So this is for those that haven't done their KYC. So this is what you're just going to type here. I paste this. So what you're going to type is I get a slot is not available at this time. So but if you've done your KYC and it is yet to be paid and it is still pending, so you're just going to come here and then write KYC pending or liveness check not done. So just make it very brief, don't make it very long, because they won't have time to read that. And then next is to drag and drop screenshot. So for you that is having KYC issue, I'll go back here to the Pi browser, click on KYC, and I just want to take a screenshot of it. So I'll just take a screenshot and I'm going to select browse, select photo library, and I'm just going to select this one right here. Click on add and let it upload completely. So once you're done, so you can see that's uploaded, you can preview everything you've done to make sure it's correct, and then you go ahead to click on send. So with this, you can see thanks, your reference is blah blah blah. You can take a screenshot of it and then copy and save this somewhere just in case you need it for anything. And this is all of the steps you need to do right now. And believe me, and most persons that actually apply these steps within the next 24 to 48 hours, they were able to review their KYC that was pending, or they were given the opportunity to complete their KYC. So for you watching this video right now, I'm going to say within 48 hours to let's say within 1 week, you should be able to resolve some of the challenges you've been having completing your KYC on Pi Network. So this is all of the steps on everything to do about how to complete your KYC and how to resolve your pending KYC issues. So guys, I really hope this video is helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. If you want to make money from airdrops, then do this airdrop right now. First thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description. Now the link is going to bring you here, and you have to sign up with either Google, Binance, your email, or any other platform you actually want. So once you've signed up, log in your account right away, and once you log in, then click on these 3 dashes right here. Click on LOT token, scroll down and click on start earning. You can come here and claim these points daily, refer your friends and claim your referral. Scroll down here and do some of these tags and go to the level 3 and claim all of them. And once you do that, you keep claiming points that will make you eligible for this airdrop.